You're a bento box of favorite features. Watch you dance away while I'm on the bleachers. Got my world so vibrant, I'm simply listening to all the words we're saying when it's just silence. We're so alive. I can't tell if I'm just speaking. Dilated eyes. I'll never forget this feeling. You're coming fast towards me. Thought I'd always be lonely, but you answered. I wipe my nose, it's running. I'm not afraid of crying, you're my anchor. I'm okay now.